Okay, guys, we are back at it with TNXP. That once again has come in for another bull run from 21 cents, a multi-day bull run from 21 cents from oversold all the way back overbought at 58 cents. They slowed down here. Now you can see that at this 58 cents where they slowed down at is exactly where they slowed down at before. They had the last big sell-off before it broke past there before it went up to that dollar. If I take you back further on TNXP, that 58 cents there before it sold all the way back off in the beginning. If they get past there, then it'll be easy skyrocket towards the dollar where they'll struggle to get past again before they really start to take off. They're gonna need some more news. But if you just see my last TNXP video, you know about the upcoming catalyst. And if you were in seeing my big TNXP short interest detailed analyses video, then you would already been in there. If you were seeing my video coming after that for an extra warning, back on the 22nd of the month, TNXP get in at 30 cents or lower for a swing trade, showing your resistance and support, saying that this is the trigger point. And this is your last chance on TNXP. This stock has skyrocketed from that 30 cents or less, and not only just on that bull run, but also on the last bull run as well, last month before it went all the way up to that $1. This is all the way from, remember, the 52-week lows. Remember that TNXP is still at right now as well. It's still at its lows. And again, if you were seeing my last videos back in December for the last round of TNXP, where I'm boldly stating TNXP getting ready to make these moves. TNXP, here go your next price target. Don't miss out on this. It's easy money we know what you're going for. And it's the same setup and same strategy every single trade. Remember, TNXP got their fast track back win. That's what people are so ever so excited for now. Still. And a lot of people don't know about the new things that TNXP has. Because, like I say, in the last video that I just made yesterday, we dove deep. They got catalysts coming out before the fibromyalgia release. Many of them, actually. Check some of those out where I did state they catalyst dates as well. A very good time for TNXP as people are holding this for a long term and it's about to break past that because the people don't want to let it go. These few people who are selling this thing off, yeah, you got some early swing traders who want to get out of there. Swing traders, they getting tired of holding that thing off this sell off. But you hold it strong with your conviction, and you know what you already know it's coming. It's about to start settling down, building support here. Notice how it stopped here. Exactly where that big wick was created. Building support. It's gonna start building support there. If it breaks under that, then the next big stop for that is probably gonna be like 25 cents. In fact, if it breaks under that, it's just going back down to the bottom. Yeah, if it breaks, that's just going back down. But that's good for a lot of because you already caught that last round, then you can easily lock in gains and get that next round if it does do that. But you're going to be looking for the next round of bullish divergence to be made. So I'm going to take you to see some details on TNXP because they still massive in short interest. They really haven't started anything just yet. Now, if they don't do something fast though, keep in mind they will have to do a reverse split, not to scare anybody or anything. And they do got time, but it's just how it goes. And in some cases, that reverse split might not be as bad as you think because after they drive reverse split, they might just explode if that company is strong enough. And there are a few other ones that are getting ready to explode as well. I already know. So make sure that you in the Discord to see the newest alerts that I just put out. For those of you who don't remember TNXP, this biopharmaceutical company, all about their TNX-102. You can learn more information about these stocks by checking out their websites and then by checking out their pipelines overall because they're working on a few different things rather than just a TNXP-102. Doing your deep dives will give you a general understanding if you want to be a longer term investor. Now you already know me, I'm just a swing trader, but in today's trading session, you do still got more extra larges, more mediums, and more smalls going out. So still with a very bullish wave of cost distribution in there. Still with a very extremely bullish wave. Hoping that holds up. Like they didn't even get like they got to get to that 51 cent resistance. They got to get to that 51 cent resistance, but if you still holding in there, you still got to be up like almost at least a good 100% or so right now, something like that on TNXP. And keep in mind, everything that's going on with TNXP right now is why the markets are pushing up more bullish than bearish. You got like 4,300 advancers, 1,800 decliners. I say there are other stocks to go for, and there's a lot of therapeutic stocks. That's starting getting ready to come in for a move. The other day they did just come out with some TNXP monkeypox news as well. That TNXP monkeypox news really started to get a lot of therapeutic stocks going. But as you in there, you really still good. It's all about if they hold up that support here or now. They gotta hold this now. Like this is actually really the big test for real, for real. If they break under this, it's going back down, giving us another round. If it holds strong, then it should explode and get past that 50 cent. But it might consolidate here between a while. I mean, it needs a bullish day, but one piece of good therapeutic news or a catalyst or any piece of news or even just a boost for the sector change everything. Well, let me know if you're still in on TNXP. I do know a couple other stocks that are about to explode, like I say. If you want to see how today's trading has gone for us in my section so far, because keep in mind, there are a lot of other coach sections. The rest of the coaches and YouTubers put out their alerts in their sections saying when to buy and when to sell as well. And they are in the different language sections putting out when to buy and when to sell. And they are in the main chat all day, every day, talking about when to buy and when to sell as well. But along in my section, which most people like to follow along in the most, of course, massive gains every day. We got in for our penny trades. We got in for our crypto trades. We got in for our options. Excuse me, we got the hiccups. Got in for our options trades. Multiple rounds of the options trades for super burst. Yeah, another easy day. Still holding on our swing trades. Another beautiful day in the Bank Wibbly Discord, like every single day is. You want to see some of the other coach sections alerts for today? Let's see what they got going on. Maybe you even see something that you like real quick between all the crypto trades, all the different options trades, between all the different penny stocks and breakout trades, between all the different safe, easy, early seats, combos. If you say that you're not catching these plays on time, it's just because you're not in the Bank Wibbly Discord, because you're not a member, you're not a premium member, getting the premium alerts, letting us know when to buy, letting us know when to sell, everything on time. It's easy money. We know what you're going for. You get your targets and everything. I'll see y'all in there, and I'll be trading.